We begin this morning with major news out of Trumbull County.
Steward Healthcare told its employees it's closing 2 hospitals and several satellite locations around the valley. Those include Trumbull Regional Hospital and Hillside Rehabilitation Hospital. Steward says the last day for those facilities will be September 19th, but today will be the last day for any new patients to be admitted. That leaves less than 30 days now to try and find a buyer to try and save those facilities.
Yeah, hundreds of employees could be out of a job, and even more people in the community now looking for a new hospital or healthcare facility. Erin Simonak has the latest.
Steward Health's ongoing financial uncertainty led the company to announce its closure of its 2 Trumbull County hospitals, along with several satellite campuses.
The one complaint that we hear from people when hospitals do close is, the need of services in the area for people to access care. A lot of times hospitals are major economic drivers in the community.
Trumbull Regional Medical Center and Hillside Rehabilitation Hospital employees were informed Wednesday afternoon the 2 hospitals will permanently close in 30 days' time. Steward released a statement explaining it remains hopeful it can find an alternative solution that would keep the hospitals open and preserve jobs. It wants to save the hospitals and will continue to work with qualified bidders during the process.
Now, I also spoke with the local representatives with the Ohio Nurses Association that work here at Hillside Rehabilitation. They tell me they hope to be paid a few weeks after that 30-day closure, but they're still unsure what the future holds.
If the hospital closes, we're being told that with the warn notice being issued, we would get paid for 60 days. So that would be through October. As for placement, it's still kind of fresh too. We don't know if anybody would be able to go to Sharon Regional or, if you have to look elsewhere.
The Ohio Nurses Association responding to the announcement, it's clear no one is safeguarding our community or patients, which must change. Steward's closure is the final blow in a 7-year history of depriving the region access to vital care. The hospitals could be saved if a sale goes through. 21 News was the first to tell you about prospective buyer John Woods. His reaction reads in part, "We're very disappointed in Steward's decision, but still optimistic about our efforts to save and upgrade the hospital. It is still our intent to get the job done." Steward's hospitals located in Florida were recently purchased for over $400 million, a similar purchase that would be essential for one or both hospitals in Trumbull County to continue operations.
So that's a good chunk of the hospitals up in that northern region that are Stewards. That's just to kind of give you an example of what maybe some of the costs might be associated with.
Hillside staff tells me they'll continue reporting to work as a new buyer could save their jobs. Employees will meet with human resources for job relocation assistance if it comes down to the wire.
Now, we mentioned there are some satellite locations closing as well. Those include Austintown Imaging, Austintown Rehabilitation Services, the Center for Radiology, Elm Road Rehabilitation Services in Cortland, and the Trumbull Regional Medical Center for Surgery and Sleep Lab. On the flip side, Sharon Regional Medical Center is not included in the list of closures. 21 News confirmed talks are ongoing to sell that hospital. You can read our full coverage on all the closures on our website, WFMJ.com, or our 21 News app, and we'll keep you posted as this story develops.